Now that we've planned our essay, it's time to fill it with compelling content. Today, we focus on developing strong arguments and supporting them effectively. Every argument in your essay should support your thesis. Begin with a clear topic sentence, followed by explanation, evidence, and examples. A topic sentence clearly states the main idea of a paragraph and sets the direction for the sentences that follow. In the context of our essay on technology in education, a topic sentence like "Technology in education really helps students learn better" immediately informs the reader about what the paragraph will discuss. This sentence should be direct and encapsulate the core argument of the paragraph. After stating the topic sentence, the next step is to explain your point in more detail. This might involve describing how technology like virtual labs or interactive modules can provide dynamic learning environments not possible with traditional methods. Evidence. Credible sources are crucial here. Reference empirical studies, statistical data, or authoritative reports that support your claim. For instance, citing research that shows improved students' outcomes with the use of specific technological tools in the classroom adds weight to your argument. Examples. Concrete examples make your argument relatable and understandable. Mentioning specific educational technologies like augmented reality apps used in science classes to simulate complex biological processes provides tangible evidence of your point. Enhance your arguments with rhetorical devices. Rhetorical devices are techniques used to persuade or convey meanings effectively. Anaphora, the repetition of a word or phrase at the beginning of successive clauses, is one such device. In the context of our essay, we have the following example. Technology empowers students, technology engages students. This repetition not only emphasizes the positive impact of technology, but also enhances the rhythmic flow of the text, making the argument more memorable. Counterarguments and rebuttals. Addressing counterarguments strengthens your essay. Acknowledge them, then use evidence to show why your main argument still holds strong. Recognizing potential objections to your arguments shows critical thinking and strengthens your position. For instance, addressing concerns about technology causing distractions in the classroom demonstrates an understanding of the broader debate. Crafting rebuttals. A rebuttal directly addresses a counter-argument to show why it doesn't invalidate your main argument. You can see the example for the distraction concern here on the screen. Strong arguments are the heart of your essay. For homework, develop 3 arguments for or against online education. Include one counter-argument. Share these on the forum for peer review. Next time, we'll perfect our introductions and conclusions.